Welcome to module number 1 of Start Your Blog from Scratch. We have discussed in the introductory part all the elements or modules that we are going to learn in this course, and I hope that you have a clear picture before getting into the details of this course. So in this segment, let us learn two modules together in this video segment, that is, what is blogging and what are the scope and industry statistics of blogging. The first thing you have to understand when you decide to get into this segment, exactly what is blogging. For this question, I wanted to answer not in a hypothetical term, but in a very simple format, that blogging is a creative expression. You have a wonderful idea to share with this world, and you have something to teach the world, then you can get into the platform of blogging. Blogging is an opportunity to teach the world what special skills or talents you are having. Many people ask me when they are communicating with me on social media and many other platforms, that am I late to enter in this blogging space? So what answer I have for you? This question is because there are hundreds of established bloggers and millions of blog posters being posted on every day, and what is my chance if I getting into this space? So what I wanted to give you as an answer for these segments, you can get into blogging because people love to tell stories, and most commonly people love to listen stories. This is a marketing techniques too. The good storytellers are good salespeople too. And the other major aspect is that every person has a story to tell. So you are no longer late to enter the space of blogging and expressing yourself, because what I believe, as long as you have a very good story to tell the people, and you have some value to add the life of people, blogging will last, and never worry about the time of your entry. Let me just summarize. Blogging is a creative expression, and this is an opportunity to teach the world what special skills you have. And your question, am I late to enter the blogging space? And here I want to answer you. People love to tell stories, as well as people love to listen stories, and every person has a story to tell. So you are no longer late to enter the space of blogging and expressing yourself. Now as long as you have a very good story and you have a value to add to the life of people, you can get into blogging, and you need not worry about your timings, and you can enter into the blogging even at this moment. So let us get into the module number 2. We don't just get into this blogging industry just because it is so fascinating, just because it is that you want to say something to the world, but we will go a detailed analysis on the scope and industry statistics of blogging in this module. As per WordPress research, WordPress is the world's most trusted blogging platform with millions of bloggers. In 2019 and 20 survey, over 31.7 million bloggers in US alone. Then you check how many millions of people around the globe in all the countries are into blogging. So, and there are 20 billion blog posts viewed on WordPress on every month. So here you can understand the scope. This is the scope of blog posting. 20 billion blog post view, 20 billion times people are checking blogs. So now let us analyze the credibility of blogging. According to HubSpot RESEARCH, blogging has been recognized as the 5th most trusted source of information. The point is that people are into blogging because they don't want to wait for next day's newspaper for getting the latest updates. They don't want to listen a TV station to telecast a news which they want to show. Instead, people want to get the information what they need, and right now at this moment they want to access the information. So as people want to gain the information instantly based on their choices, they prefer blogging and blog posters. And so here there are two things we have to analyze. One, 20 billion views on blog post, as well as in US alone 31.7 million blogs being posted on every month. What we have to understand is that blogging is really competitive, and you have to add more skills to your skill set to be successful in blogging, as well as you have to become a continual learner to make an impact in your life as well as your visitors' life. If not, you will not be a successful blogger. See you in next learning, next lesson, top bloggers, in the next video.